model, 2017 ISUZU D-Max Diesel 2.5 TD Double Cab 4x4 Euro 6 ULEZ. TSOR repair. Body, white 4x4. Mileage, 81,841. MOT, 12 April 2024. Engine, 2499 cc Ford JK1 Intercooler E5. Transmission, 6-speed manual. Mechanical summary, will start after a while, engine sounds fine, needs multiple injectors replacing. Easy quick repair for the right person. Worth putting in the time to get this back on the road. Open mouth smile. Condition summary, bodywork is average. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £9,695. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.